Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear students? Hope we are well by the Almighty Allah. Let's go to learn the topic, suffix, prefix on Bangladesh. The lessons you will learn here. Number 1, suffix prefix on Bangladesh. Number 2, article gaps. Number 3, capitalization and punctuation mark. Just 3 items, step by step we will experience. Follow part 1, suffix prefix on Bangladesh. Let's go to discuss. Bangladesh is an independent country, but she is still burdened with poverty. Population, employ, corruption, food deficiency, natural calamities, power crisis, etc. Considering all these, the present government has aimed at making a digital Bangladesh to calm most of these problems. The actual aim of Digit Bangladesh is to establish technology-based government which will emphasize the overall development of the country and the nation. The country has already fixed its target for the achievement of Digital Bangladesh by 2021. At the first time we read out the passage, perhaps we have understood the main purpose of the passage. Let's go to see the answer of the suffix prefix, then we will experience from first to last. Follow the answer. Independent, overpopulation, deficiency, government, overcome, digital, development, already, achievement. The question was dependent, population, deficient, govern, calm, digit, develop, ready, achieve. Just as per the sentence meaning, we have to change the word with suffix or prefix or suffix. Okay, we have understood the sentence meaning and perhaps we have experience of each word marked with white color. There are 10 words and the 10 words have taken prefix or suffix or both. Follow the question here. Again I give the question to you. Now you have to fill up or find out the thoughts with suffix or prefix. Dependent, population, employ, deficient, govern, calm, digit, develop, ready, achieve. Perhaps now the sentence have been easy to mean and already the suffix or prefix words saw it to you. The exhibited answer may help you to learn well. Perhaps you have done well on your exercise note and you have tried your level best to tell the good changing words with suffix prefix. Follow here again I give the scope to learn the experience with the changing world. Independent. Population, overpopulation. Deficient, deficiency. Govern, government. Come, overcome. Digital, develop, development. Ready, already. Achieve, achievement. When we change suffix prefix, we have to follow the sentence. If we mean correctly each sentence meaning, to insert suffix prefix word may be easy for us. Okay? Let's go to see the article gaps part 2. Read out the whole passage on article gaps. Bangladesh is an independent country, but she is still burdened with poverty, overpopulation, unemployment, corruption, food deficiency, natural calamities, power crisis, etc. Considering all these, the present government has aimed at making a digital Bangladesh to overcome most of these problems. The actual aim of Digital Bangladesh is to establish technology-based government which will emphasize the overall development of the country and the nation. The country has already fixed its target for the achievement of Digital Bangladesh by 2021. We read out the whole passage. Now we have to see the question of article gaps. Follow here, there are 5 blanks to contain article a and the or cross. If we see no article necessary, we have to cross. If we see any singular word, we may use a or an. But if we use the, we have to find out the subject or object is particular. Before particular word, the is essential. Let's go to see the answer at first. Follow the answer. An independent country, the present government, a digital Bangladesh, the overall development, digital Bangladesh. An independent country, the present government, a digital Bangladesh, the overall development, digital Bangladesh. Really, if we see any vowel word at the beginning of a word, if we see any vowel a, e, I, o, u, we have to use an. And if we see any particular object, we have to use the. Singular word most of the time refers a. Okay? Now the question is appeared again. By understanding the meaning of each sentence, we have to fill up the blanks with article a and the or cross. If we see any particular word or words, we have to use the before the word. And if we see any singular word, we have to use a or an. Vowel word an, consonant word a. No article necessary, it refers cross. Follow here or cast your eyes here the answers of articles. Again I give to exhibit. Perhaps you have done well on the point of article blanks. If we practice and attentively follow the video class, the article blanks will be easy to the students. Thanks. Follow the part 3, capitalization and punctuation mark. Here we will talk about capitalization and punctuation mark. Let's go to read out the whole passage again to learn capitalization and punctuation mark. Bangladesh is an independent country, but she is still burdened with poverty, overpopulation, unemployment, corruption, food deficiency, natural calamities, power crisis, etc. Considering all these, the present government has aimed at making a digital Bangladesh to overcome most of these problems. The actual aim of digital Bangladesh is to establish technology-based government which will emphasize the overall development of the country and the nation. The country has already fixed its target for the achievement of the digital Bangladesh by 2021. Follow here Bangladesh poverty problems, the 2021. There are 5 words colored with yellow. Each word contains mistakes of capitalization or punctuation mark. Perhaps we have understood where the mistakes are held, but we can see the answer at the beginning. To experience well, let's go to follow the answer of the correct sentence. Follow here Bangladesh, B capital letter, poverty, comma, problems, full stop, the country, T capital letter, 2021, full stop. Bangladesh, B capital letter, poverty, comma, problems, full stop, the T capital letter, 2021, full stop. The rules and regulation of capitalization and punctuation marks refer if the sentence begins the word must be capital letter at the first letter. Poverty, comma, if there are more than 2 objects before and each word will contain comma. Poverty, population, unemployment, corruption, food deficiency, natural calamities, power crisis, etc. If there are more words than 2, each word will carry comma. It is the rules. If the sentence is assertive sentence, at the end of the sentence we have to use full stop. So problems, full stop. The country, here T capital letter. At the beginning of a sentence, the word which will be written must carry capital letter as the first letter. 2021, it is the assertive sentence, so we have used full stop at the end of the sentence. Follow here the questions again appear to you. Now you have to correct by capitalization and punctuation mark. Try your level best and you can easily change the mistakes. Bangladesh poverty problems, the 2021. As you have seen the answer before, now it may be easy for you. Bangladesh poverty problems, the 2021. Perhaps your answer is correct, and I hope this answer of capitalization and punctuation mark day by day will be so easy to you. Let's go to see the answer again. How much you have done correct? Follow the answer. Bangladesh, B capital letter, poverty, comma, problems, full stop, the T capital letter, 2021 full stop. Just by practicing and experiencing, you can advance yourself. Thanks so much. Wish your good luck to the Almighty Allah.